Liverpool target €3 2020 forwards as Jurgen Klopp overhauls Anfield attack. Klopp is reportedly looking to upgrade his stellar attacking options. Jurgen Klopp could overhaul his Liverpool attack in the near future and is reportedly keeping tabs on at least 3 forwards at Euro 2020. This year's European Championship has already showcased plenty of attacking talent likely to attract interest ahead of the 2021-22 season. Despite a disappointing 2020-21 campaign, Klopp still has stellar options available to him at Liverpool. Mohamed Salah and Sadio Mane have become 2 of Europe's top wingers under his tenure. Meanwhile, Roberto Firmino and Diogo Jota have been competing for the striker spot whilst the latter has been fit. Klopp's defense has already strengthened ahead of next season by the return of Virgil van Dijk and the capture of RB Leipzig centre-back Ibrahima Konate. Jordan Henderson's return to fitness and Fabinho being able to play in midfield again regularly will also bolster the squad in the middle of the park. With that said, Klopp is reportedly eyeing fresh talent in his attacking ranks, and 3 potential targets are currently at Euro 2020. Alexander Isak. According to Mundo Deportivo, Liverpool have joined Arsenal and Chelsea in their interest in Real Sociedad striker Alexander Isak. The 21-year-old is yet to score at Euro 2020 but has caught the eye in both Sweden's Group E games against Spain and Slovakia. Isak was named 2021's La Liga Young Player of the Season after scoring 17 goals in 30 starts for Sociedad. Despite his 6'4" frame, Isak's dribbling ability is as good as his finishing, and he has completed the most take-ons in a single match at Euro 2020 so far, 6 against Slovakia. If Klopp is looking for a dominating figure down the middle who full-backs and wingers can aim for, the former Borussia Dortmund ace could be his man. Domenico Berardi. According to Calciomercato, Domenico Berardi's Euro 2020 displays so far have garnered interest from Liverpool. The left-footed winger has been one of Italy's primary stars of the perfect start to the campaign. GLI Azzurri have thumped both Turkey and Switzerland 3-0 so far in Group A and are now considered one of the tournament favourites. Berardi has caused havoc down the right, forcing an own goal in the opener against Turkey before assisting Manuel Locatelli's first against Switzerland. The 26-year-old is coming off a fantastic Serie A campaign, scoring 17 goals and providing 7 assists in 28 starts for Sassuolo. Klopp could see him as competition for Salah in preparation for when the Egyptian ace moves on. Kylian Mbappé. Liverpool's reported interest in Kylian Mbappé has been widely documented for months now. Mbappé is one of the world's best at the age of 22 and would be one of the most significant arrivals in Premier League history. The France international scored 27 goals and registered a further 7 assists in as many Ligue 1 starts this season. His attacking prowess is undoubted, and he is interestingly yet to agree on a new contract with Paris Saint-Germain. If PSG can tie him down after Euro 2020, Liverpool would likely be one of several top clubs vying for his signature.